Down here checking on our Adopt-A-Cove spot. And for those of you asking why don't they clean up all the boat wrecks, check it out. We got a little salvage lineup right here. 1, 2, 3 boats they pulled out, and this was very recently because we were just down here and these were not here.
3 weeks ago.
Yep. Check out this bad boy. Oh, we got a jet ski too, look.
Oh shoot. Surprise.
Carrying a backpack with him.
There's some crickets in here.
Yeah. All the barnacles and shells.
I thought this was rock bottom at first.
Still got the engine in there, right down here under the jet ski. This one looks like it's in better shape, this yellow one here. Oh, this one must have been newer.
Yeah. Oh, the engine.
Oh yeah, this one's got the engine in it still too. Anyone recognize what kind of block this is here? And there's a battery too. Ooh, it just totally separated the cab and the hull here. Just
bedroom.
Completely tore apart here.
It looks gutted for sure. It would have been pretty though.
Yeah, this one's kind of fun.
It's like a sunny yellow.
What era you think? 80s? 90s?
I would say like...
Oh, California sticker. Californians, come get your boats. We got enough junk down here at Lake Mead. I'll take a look in the cabin here.
It would have been a cool place to hang out in though. It's got a little hangout.
Neat.
Yeah, definitely.
This one looks like it was above water for sure, and well, you can tell from this one looks like it was below water.
Same.
And this one must have just recently came out with the levels dropping here again.
Yeah.
You can see how nice and clean this yellow one is, and the blue one over here looks the best.
Yeah, this one doesn't look too old. It definitely has been sitting out there, but...
And I just noticed this too, looking on the underside. Someone spray painted Wesley's Cove down there. So I'm guessing this boat must have marked the location of Wesley's Cove, if I had to take a guess. Mm-hmm. And you can tell how the recovery team here has been pulling them out any means necessary. And they yanked this one by the hook here, and it just barely held up enough to get this thing out, thankfully. Because otherwise it ends up like this, where it just falls apart. Yeah, like the yellow one, you can see it's separated here, and this one is not in too bad shape at all. Well, until you look inside here, obviously.
Looks like they just threw a bunch of garbage in here that they were collecting too while they were down there.
Yeah, so we actually came down here to volunteer and clean up all this junk like this, but they have already been on it down here because they pulled the boat out. They just threw all the junk in here and then pulled it all out together. So good job, Park Service.
Oh, this one has gauges.
And this one has the engine in it too.
Nice.
What kind of block does that look like? Painted it red to make it look all nice in here. I bet this boat looked pretty sharp. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And it wasn't that long ago this was on the water. They got the aquatic invasive species sticker from 2019, so not that old. But there you go, folks. Everyone's been asking since our very first video, why don't they pull out some of those boat wrecks? Well, here you go. I can confirm this week we got 3 of them pulled out right here. And also the last time we were down here, Candy Blue was gone, remember?
Yeah,
so that's another one. So hey, if you watch our videos or any other Las Vegas creators and you've been wanting to come see the boat wrecks at Lake Mead, the water level is dropping right now. We're going to go down further and check it out. But this summer and next summer might be some of your last chance, because Park Service seems like now they're getting serious about cleaning this place up, which is, of course, a good thing.
Yes.
And we're going to go down there and help clean up too right now also. Let's go down and check out the water line. And here's what we're working with after a weekend at Lake Mead. It all-
for 4th of July. Too.
It also just rained, which means all the trash that people have here from barbecuing and camping and fishing all gets washed down here. And there it all goes, down into the now dried up harbor. So we'll get this area beautified, get some of this trash cleaned up, and then we'll go down by the water and see how it's looking down there. Ready?
We got this.
We got this.
Got this.
So thank you, Mrs. Mojo, for your service.
Yep, you did it while I was live streaming, so we got to trade off.